we are looking at how to pronounce those numbers. Well, if this was a singular number, one big number, you would have to take out the 0 because it would have no value because it's the first one, so that would be 123,456,789. But if what you're after is how to pronounce all those numbers, they are to be said and pronounced as 0, 1, that's in English obviously, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or in reverse, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now you know. If you're looking at how to say those numbers in other languages, I have made videos as well. If you're looking at how to pronounce small and further numbers in English, more videos for you there. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.